Don't be salty unless you buy a pool. That's horrible.
Hey guys, we're here with Ray Garvey from American Pools and Spas again today. Welcome back.
Good to be back.
It's a hot one out here.
It's humid.
Yeah, it's a little sticky. Despite that, we're going to talk about how to heat your pool and the different options that you have.
There are 3 options when it comes to heating your pool and spa. The first one that I want to touch on real briefly is solar. Solar is not an effective option to heat a spa. However, you can elongate the swim season by about a month and a half on both ends. It's not electric, it's actually radiant. It's going to go through tubes on your roof, warm the water, come back to the pool. The second is going to be a gas heating element. If you have a pool spa combo and you only anticipate yourself heating the spa and you're going to use it often, gas is going to be your best option. It's the fastest. You can go from about 70 degrees to 104 in 35 minutes.
And we're all about immediate gratification these days, right?
We are. The third heating element is going to be an electric heat pump. If you have what's typical in Florida, a pool spa combination, and you anticipate yourself also heating the pool on top of just the spa, electric is going to have the lowest total cost of ownership.
And total cost of ownership, so you're not just talking about buying the actual unit to heat the pool, you're talking about the energy usage as well.
The energy usage, the full relationship you're going to have with that equipment.
Okay, and you can keep all of these things finely tuned with all this new automation that's out there and control this right from your phone.
You can. One of my favorite things to do on my way home from work, the last thing that I want to do when I get home is walk out to my pool equipment, manually enter something, wait 45 minutes to an hour for it to heat up. From my smartphone, as I leave work, I can turn the heat on, I get home, the spa is 104 degrees, and I can turn it off from the phone when I go inside. And all of our homeowners get a free consultation with Premier Pool Care we call Pool School.
Okay.
So they're gonna take the time to spend with you to show you how your automation, how your pump, how your filter works.
All right, sounds good. Ray Garvey from American Pools and Spas. You can stop by and visit him anytime at the showroom in Lake Nona.
7320 Narcoossee Road near Lee Vista. You can find us at american-pools.com.